Creating a YouTube channel sounds easy and more like just clicking the create button, but believe me, there is more to it than just clicking that create button or starting up of a new channel. So if you are new to YouTube or you already have a YouTube channel, then this video is definitely for you, because this video will provide you more insights on how to properly create a winning YouTube channel or how to edit your channel to be algorithm friendly. So guys, it's me again, Gideon of Gideon's Academy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I teach basically YouTube growth. So if you're looking forward to growing your YouTube channel, then Gideon's Academy is definitely for you. Do well to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create a YouTube growth video just like so. And also, I'll be leaving a link to my YouTube community in the description of this video. Feel free to join my YouTube community where you have access to one-on-one mentorship all for free. So without wasting much of your time guys, let's head straight to my computer while I show you how to create and edit a winning and an algorithm friendly YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. So here is it guys, we'll be making use of this email as a model email. So for you to easily create a winning YouTube channel, so the next thing you need to do, once you're on your Google interface just like so, you can head straight to youtube.com. so you can go straight to youtube.com just like so. So once you're on your YouTube interface that looks exactly like so, the next thing you need to do is to click on this icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on it just like so, this interface automatically comes up. You have two options, either to click on view your channel or to click on YouTube Studio. First of all, you can click on view your channel to see how this look at first before you start making few changes to your YouTube channel. As you can see, this is exactly how it will look like. So you can either click this icon again and also go to YouTube Studio just like so, or you can also click on customize channel just like so. Once you click on customize channel, it automatically brings you up again to the YouTube Studio. So this is it guys. The first thing you need to note guys is to come back to the dashboard. Here is the customization. Then you can come back to your dashboard just like so. Once you're on your dashboard, as you can see, everything seems new. So the next thing you need to do guys is basically, before you start customizing your channel, you can go to your settings just like so. Once you click on settings, this interface automatically comes up. Don't forget to leave this on US dollars just as you can see on your screen. Then you can click on channel. Once you click on channel, this interface automatically comes up. Please remember, do not use a different country when creating a YouTube channel while you are residing in another country, because I had someone telling me that he made use of United Kingdom as his country while he is based in Nigeria, and I asked him why. He said he wants to attract the United Kingdom audience. Please note that this is absolutely wrong. So remember to click the country or choose the country you are currently residing in. So for me now, I'll be choosing Nigeria. So this is one big deal of creating a YouTube channel, which is channel keyword. So what does a keyword do? So for example, I want to create a channel that focuses more on cryptocurrency. So this is what I will need to do as my keyword. Here I will input things that looks like crypto just like so. Once you write it, you can hit comma so that it can automatically input it, or you press enter. Once you have crypto just like so, you can put coins just like so. You can put cryptocurrency. Here you can put airdrop. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can remember to put more than 12 of this. Make sure you focus on getting at least 500 character in this, because when it exceeds about 500 character, you will not be able to add more. So ensure that your keyword focuses on what your channel is doing. If you're into fashion, you look for words that are linked to fashion. If you're into virtual blogging, you look for words that are linked to virtual blogging. If you are into tech, you also look for keywords that has to do with tech. Let me tell you what this easily do. This keyword automatically creates a relationship between your channel and the algorithm. So once the algorithm senses that somebody is trying to make a research on a particular keyword, this algorithm tends to suggest your channel as one channel hosting such kind of search term. So don't forget guys, I'll be making videos very soon on SEO, that is search engine optimization, how to make the algorithm suggest your content. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create a new video. So all that being said, let's continue on this video. Once you are done with your keywords, remember to click on save just like so. So once it has automatically saved, you can go back to the setting as well. Remember, we are still on the channel setting, everything has been saved. Then you can click on advanced settings. There is a new feature that YouTube introduced lately, so you can tend to skip all of these and turn this on. That is the third-party training. That is, allow third-party companies to train AI models using your channel content. This is actually good. I will tell you why in one of my live section coming up very soon. So once you do that, ensure that you click on all third-party companies. Then you can click on save as well. Once you click on save, you can also go back to your settings, click on channel and click on feature eligibility. Once you do that, as you can see, we have standard features as enabled. Here we have the intermediate feature. Here you need to do a few verifications to be able to upload videos above 15 minutes, create a custom thumbnail, and also have access to going live. So it's quite simple. It's just for you to verify your phone number. Let me quickly show you how to verify your phone number. Here you click on this arrow here, then you can click on verify phone number. It automatically brings you up to a new interface. This is never overemphasized. Remember to always verify your YouTube channel with your primary phone number. Select the country of residence, then you can input the phone number you want to receive your verification code on. So once we have that, we can easily click on next just like so. Once you click on next, this interface automatically comes up. Then you can get the code that was sent to the phone number you just imputed. Once you have the code, input the code correctly. Once you input the code correctly, then you can click on submit just like so. That is how to verify your phone number. So once you have verified your phone number successfully, here we have the advanced features. This advanced features enables you to add embedded links to your post. So each time you upload videos, if you have not verified your advanced feature, you will not be able to add clickable links to your videos. So advanced features verification, it's kind of more advanced than the intermediate features. So once you click on this, you have various options either to do a video verification. Here you'll be required to make a video of about few seconds of yourself, or you can upload a valid ID, or for the channel history, you can keep uploading and make sure to comply with the YouTube guidelines. So once you do that and the algorithm senses that you have been making active upload, this will automatically give you automatic access to the advanced features. So that is that for the feature eligibility. So we have default uploads. We actually don't need this except you are making one type of content, then you can set up a default upload. For the advanced settings on the default upload, all of this is not required for now. So we head down to permission. So for the permission, we actually don't need that as well. So that is it for now. Then you can go to the customization. Once you are done with the settings, then you can head straight to customization. Here is how you make your channel look more compelling and beautiful to your viewers and visitors. So it's quite simple as well. Here is for you to create a banner. So if you want to learn how to create a banner for your YouTube channel, you can click the link here where I have taught how to create a YouTube banner. Also, you need a profile picture. This is more like a profile picture or an avatar that gives a face to your channel or your brand. It's quite simple as well. Get a picture you like and just click on the upload and upload there immediately. So guys, this is where you need to put into consideration when creating a winning YouTube channel. For example, you are creating a channel that has to do with technology, and here we say Gideon's Tech. So once you have a Gideon's Tech hub like so, feel free to choose a channel name that looks so easy and also catchy to your audience. Always remember that your handle is where the God is. So for your handle, so I see a lot of people making this mistake. After creating a channel name that looks like so, for their handle they'll be getting something like maybe Gideon. So this is actually wrong. Yes, this is actually wrong. Or maybe Gideon and some few numbers, or I see some people going with what YouTube has already given to them, like what I just deleted right now. This is actually wrong. Why? Because this does not look branded, or it does not correlate with your channel name. So what I will employ you to do each time you're creating your handle, ensure that what you have in your channel name is what you have in your handle. For example, we want to create a channel name for Gideon's Tech Hub. Here we can have Gideon's Tech Hub, just like so. So we can have it just like so, and this is actually beautiful. Your handle should look more like your channel name. And for the description, ensure to keep this very simple. Here you just need to get something to tell your audience about what your channel looks like. Remember, keep your description simple. So once you're done with this, you can go down and check all of this, and here ensure to input an email address where you have maximum access to that email address. Once you have input your email address successfully, you can come here to add a watermark. So this is an example of how a watermark looks like, and you can easily input a watermark by hitting the upload button and also selecting the image you want to use as a watermark. Once it appears here successfully, then you can easily click on publish, just like so. Once you click on publish, this automatically save your edits to your channel and make your channel look exactly just like so. So for you to know how your channel looks like, you can click here, then you can click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, it automatically brings you up to this interface. As you can see, it's looking more beautiful. I'll quickly show you how a banner and also a profile picture looks like. So we'll be heading straight to YouTube, then we can search for one of my channel, just like so. So once you search for my channel, then we can click on my name, just like so. So once we click on my name, let me show you how a banner looks like. So this is what a banner looks like, and this is a profile picture, and this is how your channel is going to look like when you have successfully do the necessary uploads. So that is how easy it is for you to create a winning YouTube channel. So for those of us that are using our phones to create our YouTube channel, I would suggest you click this video you can see on your screen now, where you can see how you can use a phone to create a winning YouTube channel. Thank you for having you on Gideon's Academy today. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, bye for now.